Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add contact widget on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is press and hold on the screen in your itel S15 mobile phone to see the widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by scrolling down or up on screen. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add contact widget. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click the contact widget. And now you can see the contact of your mobile phone. And okay guys, now we can add the contact. So okay, for my example, I choose one of my contact. And okay guys, after you select one of your contact, okay, automatically save on the widget. And okay guys, now here in widget, you can change the position by press and hold the widget. And now you can change the position. And okay guys, okay, we can try it. What happened if the contact widget is clicked? Okay, click the contact widget. And okay guys, you can see the information of this contact. And okay guys, that's it. And we have successfully add the contact widget to your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.